Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If you want to become an automation tester in 2026, you might be wondering where to start. There are so many tools and technologies such as programming languages, testing frameworks, API testing tools, and CI/CD pipelines. This can feel overwhelming for beginners. In this video, I will explain a clear step-by-step roadmap that will help you become a successful automation tester. Let's get started. What is automation testing? Before we talk about the roadmap, let's quickly understand what automation testing is. Automation testing means using software tools to automatically execute test cases instead of performing them manually. These automated tests help teams execute tests faster, improve test coverage, reduce human errors, and support continuous integration pipelines. Automation testing has become an essential skill for modern QA engineers. Step 1. Learn manual testing fundamentals. The first step in the automation testing journey is learning the fundamentals of manual testing. Before writing automation scripts, you need to understand how software testing works. Important concepts include software development lifecycle, software testing lifecycle, writing test cases, understanding different types of testing, and reporting bugs. Most teams use tools like Jira to track bugs and manage testing tasks. Having strong manual testing knowledge will help you design better automation tests later. Step 2. Learn a programming language. The next step is learning a programming language. Automation testing requires writing scripts that interact with applications. Some popular programming languages for automation testers include Java, Python, JavaScript. These languages are commonly used with automation tools like Selenium and Playwright. If you are a beginner, Java or Python are excellent choices. Focus on learning variables, loops, functions, object-oriented programming concepts. Step 3. Learn web automation. Once you understand programming basics, the next step is learning web automation tools. One of the most widely used tools in the industry is Selenium. Selenium allows testers to automate browser interactions such as clicking buttons, entering text, navigating pages, verifying elements on a web page. While learning Selenium, focus on concepts like locators, waits, handling alerts, handling frames and windows. These concepts form the foundation of most automation frameworks. Step 4. Learn API testing. Modern applications rely heavily on APIs for communication between services. Because of this, automation testers must also learn API testing. A popular tool used for API testing is Postman. Using Postman, testers can send requests, validate responses, and test back-end functionality without relying on the user interface. For automation testing of APIs, developers often use libraries like Rest Assured. Learning API testing significantly improves your value as a QA engineer. Step 5. Learn test automation frameworks. The next important step is understanding automation frameworks. A framework is a structured way to organize automation code so that tests are maintainable and reusable. One common design pattern used in automation frameworks is the page object model. This pattern helps separate test logic from page elements, making your automation scripts easier to maintain. Framework design is an important skill that distinguishes junior testers from experienced automation engineers. Step 6. Learn CI/CD integration. Automation tests are most powerful when they run automatically as part of a continuous integration pipeline. This is where CI/CD tools become important. A widely used tool for this purpose is Jenkins. With Jenkins, teams can automatically run automation tests whenever new code is pushed to the repository. This helps detect bugs early and ensures faster software delivery. Understanding CI/CD integration is a valuable skill. Step 7. Learn modern automation tools. While Selenium is still widely used, many teams are also adopting modern automation tools. Some examples include Playwright, Cypress. These tools provide advanced features such as automatic waits, faster execution, and improved debugging capabilities. Learning these modern frameworks can give you a strong advantage in the job market. Step 8. Build real projects. The final and most important step is building real automation projects. Practice automating real websites and applications. You should create automation frameworks, write test cases, and store your code on platforms like GitHub. Having real projects in your portfolio demonstrates your practical experience and helps you stand out during interviews. Summary. Let's quickly summarize the automation testing roadmap. First, learn manual testing fundamentals. Second, learn a programming language. Third, learn web automation tools like Selenium. Fourth, learn API testing. Fifth, understand automation frameworks. Sixth, learn CI/CD integration. Seventh, explore modern tools like Playwright and Cypress. And finally, build real projects to gain hands-on experience. Following this roadmap will help you become a strong automation tester. Call to action. If you found this roadmap helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more software testing and automation tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments where you are in your automation testing journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.